welcome back to my channel. So glad to have you guys back. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing haul with Naked. I've worked with them before and I'm so excited to work with them again. And to be honest, I kind of already opened the package because I was legitimately too excited and I had to see like what they were and how they look like in person. So I'm just really excited to try these on for you, and hopefully you guys will be able to snag yourself something as well. These are just such amazing neutral basics. Actually, there's a variety. They're not all neutrals, but I think these are basics that are timeless pieces that will last in your closet for a while. So I'm just really excited to show you guys all of these. All of my links to the items that I got and my sizing reference will be down below. And if you guys have any other questions or anything that I missed, please leave a comment down below. So I'll get back to you ASAP. But if you can give me a like and a subscribe, and in the meantime, I have a little discount code for you here. And yeah, if you guys have any other questions, just please leave it down below. But let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so first up, we have this adorable, look at this. Oh my gosh, this adorable, it's like almost like a half hexagon shaped neckline. I really love the angular neckline. I think it's really modern and it's really classic, and it will show off your collarbones really nicely. So I'm super excited. I love this dark deep brown color. I just think it's super flattering on the body, and it kind of like versus something that's more brighter, it kind of like cinches in your shape. It makes you look more slimmer. So I am really excited about this piece. Oh my god, I love it. So I got this in I think I got XSmall. I tend to find that the pieces there run maybe slightly big typically, so that's why I like to get a size down, but it's trial and error. Sometimes it does hit you like where you want it to hit, but that's what I found in my experience so far. Okay, so next I have this gorgeous long sleeve like almost like glittery dress. It's like a black glitter sort of dress, and it's kind of muted, so it's not like wow on your face sort of thing, but it is really muted, but it does give off that shimmer. I thought this would be sorry, I don't know what that was. All right, so I thought this would be perfect for like a night out. Right now it's still pretty chilly, like it's sunny in California now, but it's still like really cold. The temperature, okay, it's cold for California, just to preface, but it's still like kind of in the like high 50s, low 60s. So for me, I feel like I could either dress this up, dress this down. This is perfect for the nighttime when it does like drop in temperature, but you still want to look cute with some maybe like boots, and if you wanted to wear this during the day, I think it is still versatile where you can wear something on top like a jacket and just kind of wear it more casually. But I am absolutely in love. I've been looking at this item for like months now, and I finally just was like, I need to get it and I need to try it on, so I'm super excited. And then I have, okay, this is the piece that I'm most excited about. So it is, you know how I'm like really into like Midi Maxi skirts lately that are like low rise? Well, I found the glitter version and I cannot express enough how excited I am to wear this. This is just so beautiful. It hits low waist, or at least I made sure I would get a size that would hit low waist. But this you can wear, like make this the statement piece and then wear like a really like simple top, maybe like a t-shirt, like a baggy t-shirt or a fitted one, maybe more of like a dark gray or white, and just let this piece shine out. And I'm just so excited to style this one. Like, I think of everything that I ordered, I think I was most excited for this one just because it's so versatile. It's not super glitzy, but you could also kind of wear this during the day. So yeah, I'm like ridiculously excited to show you guys this one. All right, and then I also got this really cute two-tone lace cami. So the top is, it is lined, but it is kind of sheer still. So I would say let's make sure we use a sticky, but other than the sticky, like you're fine. Like it's not like too bad, but I would just say, just in case, to be safe, and just wear a sticky. So I love this two-tone. I've been really into just neutrals lately, just because I think they're timeless and they won't, like, you won't phase out of them in a couple of years. So I know that I would wear this for a while, and I just love the silhouette. I think it's really beautiful, slimming, a little dainty, a little fun. You could wear this for like date night as well with a cute pair of jeans or a midi skirt. I just think that it's very versatile because of its neutral two-tone color and just the silhouette. It's classic. I got this solely, okay, not solely, but mainly I wanted to wear this to my honeymoon, and I'm so excited because we're going to Italy, and I am in love with this. It's a linen midi. It's probably Maxi on me, but I think it's a midi. Let me read this description. Yeah, it's a midi skirt. It's halterneck, so you could adjust the straps to your body and fit, but it's beautiful. I really wanted something linen for this trip, and I'm super excited. I think this will be just perfect, breezy, comfortable, breathable in the summertime. Summertime is like what I'm so excited to wear it. You can even wear it in the fall because it is a fall color, but I just thought this would be a beautiful basic to wear when you want to just like swing on something quickly and then go outside and have fun on the weekends. So I'm really excited to show you guys this one as well. And I just think it's a really great basic to have. And you know, I couldn't resist. I got two shoes. Oh my gosh. Look at these. These are so incredible. Look at that. And let's look at these. Oh my God, look at these. So one of them is a kitten heel, and I'm so ridiculously excited. Look at this. Oh my God. So I really love this sort of silhouette where it's just like, there's no straps, there's nothing, you just slip it on and go. And I think they are absolutely darling. I also grabbed these at the chance that I could because I saw a different version of these. I couldn't find them though. Like I didn't know where to find them. I think they're Jeffrey Campbell, but like for this, I love the buckle. Like the buckle is selling me. So this comes in a couple different colors. I think it comes in black. I think it comes in like an actual color as well. But I'm dying. Like I want like all of the colors in this. It's so cute. It's easy to walk in, and it's just very dainty. It's not too high, so you don't have to worry about like it hurting like your ankles or anything like that. But I think these are steal. You need to get them. They're so cute. They're such fun little kitten heels that go with every outfit. You guys are gonna die. Like these are so cute. So I wanted a kitten heel, but I also wanted the exact opposite, which was like a big chunky platform heel that I could also wear. And I found them. Oh my gosh, look at these. It's so beautiful. I love the chunkiness and the front. Oh my God, they're so darling. It gives you a great height, and just like as a short person, like I love to wear these sort of heels just because they make me feel taller, more elongated, more like slender, because you're kind of like that. But I love these, and I love that they're dark brown, so I can use them very well with a lot of different sorts of outfits. Rather than something in color, then you have more limited options with your outfits. But I am obsessed with these. Also, I do think these come in a different color as well, but I really loved how the dark brown looked. So this is what I got, and I am obsessed. You guys have to check out just all of their shoes. You can't miss with their shoes. They have such a different variety and they have such unique styles that are just timeless. So I highly suggest you go on their site and go under their shoe section and just take a quick look, because this one just is sending me. Look at that. Okay. And that is the end of my haul. I hope you guys fully enjoyed it, because I just absolutely died at every single outfit. I'm just so excited to wear them. And I hope these were a help to you. If you guys have any other sizing question or fit question, just please leave them down below and I will get back to you ASAP. But until I see you the next time, please stay safe and stay happy, and I will see you guys in a bit. Bye!